We were guided by the assertions that we had it right by the Attorney Generals. So here we are.
After getting a conviction against a former Kansas City police detective for shooting and killing a man in 2019, Jackson County officials found out today the Missouri Attorney General's office will not back up the conviction. The Missouri AG recommends overturning Eric DeValconair's conviction or giving him a new trial. I'm Lauren Halifax.
And I'm Kevin Barry. DeValconair shot and killed Cameron Lamb when Lamb pulled into his garage in 2019. The detective argued that he fired at Lamb when Lamb pointed a gun at his partner. In March of 2022, DeValconair was sentenced to 3 years for involuntary manslaughter and then another 3 for armed criminal action. He's appealing that sentence now. Back when he was convicted, Lamb's family was confident that he'd be incarcerated in the future.
He's going to jail. Not totally happy about that, but the bottom line is we got the conviction. He's been sentenced. At some point, he will be going to jail.
DeValconair's been out on bond this whole time while he appeals that ruling. But then earlier this month, both Lamb's family and the Jackson County prosecuting attorney started asking questions about what was taking the Attorney General so long to file a brief defending the conviction in the appeals process. They even asked the governor preemptively not to pardon the former Kansas City police detective. Well, today, instead of defending the conviction, the Attorney General's office said that conviction never should have happened in the first place.
But it essentially confesses error, says that this trial team got it wrong.
Which Jackson County prosecuting attorney Jean Peters Baker says is even more frustrating given the fact that her office worked closely with the Attorney General's office before and during the trial to make sure they got it right. But her prosecutors would have been working with former Attorney General Eric Schmidt's office. Schmidt was elected to the U.S. Senate and was replaced by Andrew Bailey this year. It's his office that now says there should be a new trial or no conviction at all. Tim Dollar prosecuted the case.
I've been doing this work for 40 years, and I can just say I've not been involved in the scores and scores and scores of murder cases I've tried where the Attorney General came in and filed a brief seeking to reverse a conviction I obtained.
Expecting an odd outcome like this, Dollar says they've already gotten permission to file their own brief that does defend the conviction.
The appellate process, notwithstanding what the Attorney General filed today, will go forward, and the Court of Appeals will do its job and analyze the law and the evidence and render a decision based upon the law and the evidence.
Cameron Lamb's stepfather, Akil Bay, says the first time they spoke with anyone from the governor's office in this case in the more than 3 years it's been playing out was today.
Somebody called, and the things that they said made me think it's most definitely a miscarriage of justice.
Lawyer David Smith represents Cameron Lamb's family in their civil case against the former detective.
What's the message to families who say even when something bad goes wrong, we get a conviction, the Attorney General is going to back away from it?
I don't have much of a message for them. I think this Attorney General should not be the Attorney General after the next election cycle. I think that's the message.
Fox 4 emailed the Attorney General's office, the Kansas City Fraternal Order of Police, and now Senator Eric Schmidt's office. We still haven't heard back this evening. Be sure to stay with Fox 4 for future developments on this developing story. Download the Fox 4 KC News app by scanning that QR code right there on your screen, or you can search Fox 4 KC in the App Store.